it's set into the hole. There you go.
Yep. Hammer.
Okay, please not too far above so that you don't go and miss. Okay, closer.
Harder. At the end, we'll make the nail go in faster.
They want to call it hammer.
Oh yeah, you get hammered.
That makes it go slower.
They can't have this one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me try then. Don't. Keep hammering.
A little too hard. I go faster.
Good.
Lisa.
Good job.
We worked together.
Now you're gonna do this one.
Good.
One more to do.
We need to do
We need to do the
this.
second. See,
Okay.
the instruction says you do this one. You do both of them. So we need to do the second one. Again, do you want your brother to do it or do you want to do it? Whoa! Look at that. Good job, Iggy.
Almost. You almost did it. Just a little bit more hammering.
Oh, that's it. Good.
There.
Good job. So let's check the instructions. So now we've built this and built this. Next, we need to put the dowels in. Where are the dowels?
Right
There are
here.
2 dowels.
We need to glue them.
Glue them. Is that what it says? Glue them? It
Yeah.
doesn't say glue them.
It says, add a tiny dot of glue inside the dowel holes. Push the dowels into the dowel holes.
Yeah, it doesn't say glue them.
Glue what?
Glue, it doesn't say glue the dowels.
Together. No.
I'll go get some glue. Or here, we'll get some glue.
Okay, I'll get you.
Mommy.
But it works fine with
Avery.
Here comes ham.
Why don't you try
yeah.
hammering it in? Good idea. But not too hard. You could smash one of my fingers. Here, in fact, I'll do it this time.
You can let your brother do it because it's so easy. That's it. Good.
Yep.
Let's do the other one. Good.
There.
Alright, so what's the next step?
To these. You do the back one.
Again, let your brother do it. It's his, so let him do it. It says. So where's this one, right?
No, it's this. It's for this one. Okay, click on the sticker. I almost line it up.
Why don't you put it on the table?
Put it on.
Is this right?
Uh-huh. Place it on.
This on.
Mm-hmm.
Put it on. Almost. Just that part's getting there.
Good job.
Now.
So the back.
How about the paint? Almost that found it.
Okay.
This time you can do it.
Thank you, brother.
Good teamwork.
Yeah.
Eerie. Eerie.
Cheese!
together.
Oh yeah, that one should be backward.
We can first use this finger.
Good job. So is it done?
The one has to be green.
No, it doesn't. Make it green.
What has green what? Onto the
Oh, sorry, we can't paint it anymore. Sorry. Because before we had this go bus shape, so we have to paint it.
So now, what's gonna hold the two parts of the bus together?
They don't. The instructions say they don't. They aren't held together.
Oh, we can be creative. We can make them hold together.
Sure.
But we need tires.
Tires.
You know, wheels.
Why?
For them to. Don't cars work on wheels?
But these are wheels.
Alright, good job, boys.
Where are the wheels?
And nice teamwork.
Nice teamwork. I like that.
We finished the whole
Good job.
bus.
Let's go show your mommy.